Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. Vivid green color. Kids, the next one is deep olive green color. Yellow color. The next one is pale blue light color. Castle pink color. Vivid purple color. Stay with us. Raw silk color. Raw silk color. The next one is cream color. Emerald green color. Coral red color. The next one is warm gray color. And the next one is lavender color. Lavender color. Stay with us. First we're using the color one gray and writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A. B for ball, C for cow, C for cat, C, dog, D for dog, E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabet of E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. G for gorilla, G. H for hand, H. I for ice, I for ice cream, I. J for jackfruit, J. Kids, the next one is K. K for kite, the next one is L. Exactly. L for lemon, L for lion, M for moon, M for mango, M. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange, P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. The last one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Stay with us. Thank you so much for watching.